Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be making some cards, wraps ideas, multi-pocket. So there is one pocket there, one pocket on the front. In here is as well, there is one pocket here on the front and one on the back. I have used my 12 digital papers. All my books and bundles are half price throughout the month of June, so get your hands in there. But let me show you how to make these super cute tag holders. Okay guys, today we are going to be playing with my blue 12 digital papers. So if you watch from the UK, you know there are a lot of TV shows at the minute about renovated chateau in France, because it's like a trend thing at the minute. That has been going on for quite a few years now, and every time I watch that TV show it reminds me of my own papers. Now those papers here have been designed taking inspiration from the 12 motifs. Now a lot of them are copyrighted, so hence why I have to kind of like make sure there is no face expression that doesn't, you know, kill the copyright part. It's basically, guys, a book full of this. There is like tags, etc, etc. So what I want to make today, I want to make some like tag holders. Okay, so now I just want to make sure they are facing, in fact I think I've got a plain, yeah, I think I'm gonna might use this one actually. Yeah, let me just get rid of the border. I always wanted a wallpaper on this, but I think, you know, it will work as a like features or maybe like bathroom and things. So yeah, I'm in negotiating with Jamie the wallpaper for our living room in Italy, because the ceiling are very high. So yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with that. So what you do is simply fold it in a half, okay, and then you open it up and then you make like a little paper boat. Okay, so start with from one triangle to the next. Okay, so it's like that, and then position the tag where you want it to be. Now I think I'm gonna put it roughly in the middle, and then fold these inwards, but leave it a little room so there is room for the tag to move about. Okay, because otherwise it would be too hard to pull it out. Okay, and then when you get to the halfway there, just fold it upwards. Okay, so it looks like it's like a concertina sort of thing, and we do exactly the same on the other side. So fold it, trying to keep the tag in the middle, fold it up, yeah. The problem with this chateau business in France now, I think they oversaturate the market. There are lots, like they all look pretty much the same. It's a lovely concept. You just need to be very competitive with price, because when there's a lot of demand, you know, and there is a lot of offers, of course customer go for cheapest version or the most value for money version. Okay, so what I'm going to do in here, I fold this backwards there, because this is going to be the outside of the tag. Okay, but as you can see there is a lot of like things going on. So to make my life a bit easier, I cut a wedge there. So when I glue this down, which I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna do one with you guys and I'll do the rest of camera. When I glue that down, you see it won't go, it is not gonna bother me, it won't show. Okay, now this bit here, we're just gonna cut it off. You won't see it. Okay, and now the bottom here, to make sure the tag don't fall off, we're just gonna close it. Just gonna put a little strip of double-sided tape, if you guys are familiar with my channel, I love double-sided tape because it is so much quicker than glue. With glue, especially because I'm a very messy person and I'm very clumsy, it ends up everywhere. This, no, because I tell him where to go. Okay, and then we're just gonna put it a little bit on top. This is the bit when you need to be slightly more careful. So make sure that it looks nice and neat. Perfect. Perfect. It's like a wrap. That's the concept. And then your tag goes there. Can you put it here? Oh, I suppose you can put it in here as well. To be fair, you've got another pocket there. So now the bit here is annoying me. So I will fold it down like so. And I'm just going to put a little bit more of double-sided tape. Perfect. And it looks quite nice actually when the tag is not there as well. I love copper as well. I think copper and this sort of motif goes really, really well together. I'm not sure if I should glue this down, you know. I think I will. Just gonna put a little strip. Yeah, because it's annoying me a little bit. So that's that. What am I going to do? I would like some decoration. Now, I haven't got any blue or light blue thing, but this would be enough. Oh, I've been naughty again. Antonio, these are paper scissors, not everything else scissors. And there is some blue. I saw some blue bit. There we go. This like pom-pony thing. Come on. Sorry, I know it's painful to watch. That's it. Got it. Okay. I've got loads of like trimmings. I think green, no, probably stick with blue. There's a little red. Yes, so what am I going to do? Oopsie. It's going to bin. I'm just going to put a little strip. I'm just going to make another one with you, another one off camera, just to give you some ideas. So we're going to put the white one first. Come on, play with me. Don't play against me. Okay, perfect. Glue, good girl. And now on the other side, I want to put this pom-pony thing. It's cute. It's like a pom-pom. Pom-pom-pom. We used to do loads when we were kids. Pom-pom. And then I'm going to fold that backwards in there because there's quite a lot of room. And I'm going to do the same on this side. There. I might trim this a little bit. That's it. Let me just try to tidy up a little bit. What do you think? I mean, this will then be glued into your journal and off you go. In fact, we could actually put some more of this in there. In fact, I'm going to do it now. This wasn't planned. I just seen it and I was like, that would look nice in there. I need this. Please play with me. Every time, it's so frustrating. So when I film, everything goes wrong or everything takes like 3 million's time. Off camera, everything happens straight away. So annoying. So annoying, but it is what it is. Yeah, I think he needed it. If I got... I need something to put it together. I think this will do. Sorry if this video is going to be way too long, but I'll only do one video and I'll do the other one off camera. So I got another idea of what we could do. Yeah, it's taking me forever. Okay, the second one I make it slightly larger so I can fit. So this tag is for there. Oh, and I just put this on top because I think you needed something. Still not 100% sure. I think I'm going to decorate it further, but I might do that off camera. Anyway, so this one here, I made it slightly larger so I can fit one tag there and one tag inside on the pockets that we make in the beginning. So actually you can fit two. Okay, what do you guys think? This is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course, it's June. So throughout the month of June, we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price, every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template, we do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 a month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalog. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. Slightly change of plan. On here, I still didn't feel the decoration. And to be fair, I could actually peel this bit off, because you still see it. Perfect. Oh yeah, that make me feel so much better. In the book, you get a page with the pockets. Okay, so you just simply fold them like that one. You put it together, and that will give you an additional pocket on the front as well if you want. How cute is that? Yeah, I did not like that. And on here I just put one of the ribbon from the kit as well. Right, I'm going to go. I think I'm leaving it now, because I don't want to overcomplicating it. But these are my Twile inspired tax holder. It's just some ideas that, hopefully you guys will make too. The kit is half price, as I said, until end of June, so get your hands in there. And until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.